If you want to hold this code, you can tap on this hold icon. If you want to unhold, tap again. If you want to record this code, tap on this record icon. So now I am recording this code. If you want to stop the recording, you can tap again. We can see the location where it's actually stored that recorded audio. So if you want to mute, you can tap on this mute icon. Tap again to unmute. If you want to make a video call, you can convert this call to video call. You can tap on this video icon. Video is not supported by the other party, so that is why it's not working. Then you can use this is a loudspeaker option. You can tap on that, and you can add call. Tap on that and you can add call. If you tap here, you can dial the number and you can make another code. Okay, let me disconnect this code.